Hello everyone. So today we will learn about some basic programs of file handling. So first program is how to copy paste the contents of one file into another by using Python program. So this is the first program. Okay, we will execute it. Okay, so to understand this program, first of all you can see on my output on my desktop here is one file that is school, and I have written 1 to 10 numbers in this file. Okay, now to execute to see you can see here two files I have used. One is school and second is student. Okay, and from school file, okay, I will copy the contents and paste, I will paste it in new file that is student.txt. And so that's why I have opened one file for the read purpose and second file for the write purpose. And OS path module I have used in case in case I have given the wrong file name, then file does not exist will come. Okay, now I am reading the contents of the file by using this dot read lines process. Okay, and I have given this work to this line object. Now with the help of write, I have pasted the content in this object. Okay, after when this process will be done, now this message will come, created and contents copied. Okay, when you will execute it, you can see when you will execute it, now output will not come here. Okay, output will come on the desktop. You can see one new file is created, name as student, and the same numbers are pasted over here. Okay, and same contents is pasted here. Okay, now the next program is in this program. First of all, let's execute it. Let's copy it to execute. Okay, now see, in this program user will enter the name of the file and the contents of the file will be pasted on the output screen of the Python. Okay, when you will execute it, you can see this will ask you to enter the name of the file which you want to which you want to see. Okay, which you want to read. When you will write here school.txt, this will show you the error or file does not exist. Okay, because we have to give the complete reference of the file. Okay, go to properties to give the complete reference, and here is the complete reference. Copy it and paste it. Okay, we will paste it on the output screen. Okay, you can see here. Okay, and here we will give forward slash. Okay, and here we will give the name of the file school.txt. When you will enter the name of the file, this will read the contents of the file, and it will show you on the output screen of the Python. Okay, now next program is how to rename a file. Okay, let's execute it. To rename a file, you can see, to rename a file you can see now the file name is, you can see on desktop, file name is school. We will rename it by using this program with the new name that is student. Okay, when you will execute it, you can see when we will execute it, okay, output will not come here. Okay, you will go to the desktop. Now the file name is student. Okay, as the previous name was school. Okay, so this is the way, and here is, you can see os.rename, and here we will give the old name and now comma with new name. Okay, now the next program is to delete a file name. To delete a file name, you can see, okay, to delete a file name, here we will paste the contents. Okay, program. Now see, here in this program user will enter the name of the file which he want to delete. Okay, now see, when you will execute it, okay, first of all, when you will execute it, this will ask you to enter the file name, okay, which you want to delete. Okay, you will go to the properties. Okay, you will go to the properties, and here is the complete reference of the file. Copy it. Okay, now when you will paste it here, we will use forward slash. Okay, we will use forward slash, and the name of the file was student.txt. When you will press enter, file does successfully deleted. You can see on my desktop, file successfully deleted. Okay, so these are the